Good morning children, this is Aniruddha, MLZS School Jhansi. In the previous session, 11th class NCERT book, we have discussed already about photosynthesis. Today we are going to talk about the light reaction, the dark reaction of photosynthesis. In light reaction, light plays an important role. Here, a series of chemical reactions take place one after another, initiated by light. Hence, this phase is technically termed as photosynthesis. The reaction of light takes place in thylakoid membrane, which is present on the chlorophyll. Thylakoid are termed as grana of chloroplasts. The light reaction, the following are the steps involved in light reaction. Number 1, when the sunlight falls on the plant, the chlorophyll present on the leaf absorbs light energy and becomes activated. The absorbed energy excited electrons to the higher energy levels. Here in the screen, the diagram you can see. This energy is used to split the water molecule into two components, two ions, which is the reaction is given in front of you on the screen. The above reaction is termed as the photolysis. That means the lysis or the breakdown of water molecule in the presence of photo, that means light. The highly reactive ions of water is split in two different directions as OH- and H+ ions. OH ions through a series of steps produce water and oxygen. The water produced is mainly used inside the plant and O2 is released into the atmosphere. The H ions undergo again a series of changes in the dark reaction and they make ATP. The adenosine triphosphate and nicotinamide adenosyl dinucleotide hydrogen sulfate, that means NADPH, are produced at the end of the light reaction, and these are very important components for the dark reaction, and that is why they are known as assimilatory powers. They will be used in the dark reaction, which is about to come next. In the dark reaction, the term dark reaction does not imply that this reaction occurs only in the dark or during the night. This reaction indicates that it do not require light energy. However, it occurs simultaneously with the light reaction. H+ ion produced in photolysis are intensely picked up by the special compound NADP, and it is converted into NADPH. During the dark phase reaction, the hydrogen of NADPH combines with CO2 with the help of ATP energy in order to produce glucose. And the series of reactions you can read in Calvin cycle, which is about to come next. This reaction occurs in a number of steps by using some special intermediate compounds, mainly RUBP, that means ribulose biphosphate, and certain enzymes are also used in this process. The series of events which you are watching on your screen can again be discussed in the later part of the book. Finally, the combined glucose is converted into starch. This reaction keeps on going, and this is actually a cyclic form which is known as Calvin cycle. Here on your screen, the dark or the light reactions are there. During the process of photosynthesis, several proceedings occur in chloroplast. Some are them. Number 1, converting light energy into the chemical energy, splitting of water molecule, and the last one is reduction of carbon dioxide molecules. Once light energy has been captured, it can help the dark reaction to initiate several events in the dark, and some may continue even in the absence of light. Light-dependent events or reactants are called light reaction and they take place in grana, while the rest are called dark reaction and they occur in stroma, the liquid which is filled inside. The plants have the capacity to work under any situation, such as from very lighted hot dry condition to wet humid dim light conditions also. The requirement of light and other factors change from one plant to another. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.